Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Robot, the co-founder of VidEmpire, the true video automation software available on the internet. So this video is just about a quick update on our channel stat after 14 days. We have built this channel entirely with VidEmpire. The goal here is to show you what kind of results are possible with our software. So let's head to the screen.
So, in the last video, we have shown you the stat update after 3 days of our new YouTube channel Kitty Club. As you know, we started this channel literally from zero, and after 3 days, we published around 27 videos and gained 22 subscribers. After 3 days, we got around 12.9k views with 25.5 watch hours. All organic and real, thanks to our built-in SEO features. Now let's see how our channel is doing after 14 days. As you can see, we have published around 121 videos. Some of them are long-form contents and some are reels or shorts. And in 14 days, we have got around 108k views and completed 231.8 watch hours. Honestly, that's a huge gain for a new YouTube channel. And we currently have 136 subscribers and it's growing every day. And from the real-time update, as you can see, 36k more views are yet to be added to our stat. So practically, we gained around 145k views in just 14 days. Now let's check the audience tab to see from which country we are gaining most of our views. As you can see, 63% of our viewers are from United States, and as you all know, USA gives the highest RPM.
So that's all for now. We will provide another update when our channel turns 30 days old. That means 16 days from now. Till then, stay safe and make more money.